I'm going to modify this Ikea desk to allow me to put this monitor on right at the back there. Problem is, there's a back plate to this desk which we'll need to alter to allow us to do that. So I've removed the drawer and you can see that there's a tray there that's sort of helpful for storing cables and adapters and things like that. But you can see that back plate is solid, so we're going to have to remove the centre portion of that to allow us to get the mounting bracket for the monitor arm into position. So this is the unit tipped over, so I need to put that here, and then that comes up underneath, need that right in, and then that needs to be able to screw in. Obviously with that turning round, it needs it's going to be quite close to the back, so we'll probably need a gap for that as well. So we'll let's cut into this. Need a section there removed, but we want to stop at the bottom there because there's that tray that we want to keep. So let's take a portion of this out. Okay, so we've got that cut out. The base plate goes in there, monitor arm goes in the top there, and then we've got enough room in that channel for that to turn around. So next we just need to cut the correct diameter hole in the top to let this go through, and then we're nearly done. Okay, so we've put the monitor arm pole over there. Now the tip is to look down the pipe, because that'll tell you whether you've got it aligned properly. Then we put this base plate in and put this screw through. And there we go, we're all done. So if you've got any tips, maybe I should have done something in a different way, something better, then let me know in the comments. Otherwise, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.